Hi everyone, it's Jed here. I just thought I'll drop a little video for you guys, basically to sort of put something down on record that I've been meaning to do for quite a while, and it's been prompted with the fact that I went over to New Zealand and caught up with Megan Lowe, and Gerben and Nerida for a lovely lunch in Mount Eden, and just sharing stories about South Seas '96, and all the characters that were there that year, and all the stories and the activities we got into. I just remember that at the end of the year, when we had the graduation, that certain other individual, Eduardo Gonzalo Iquifez, and I knocked together to do a nice little sort of a song for you guys. So I thought it's about time I kind of had it on record. So this one goes out to the ones I love. No, this one goes out to all those cats at South Seas, in particular Gerben, Nerida, Mr. Verhoeven, and Mr. David Coddington. So here you go. Hope you like it, and it goes like this. Hello, Gerben, my old friend. I've come to talk to you again. The shoot went well, or so it seemed. I woke this morning to an awful scene. We kept to budget, and we finished right on time, and it was fine till we heard sounds of silence. I went to school to see the dub. The editor was at the pub. He didn't like it, not one bit. The sound is missing, the pictures are shit. And the panic that was planted in my brain caused me pain. And I had thoughts of violence. I know exactly who to blame. These camera crews are all the same. Beneath the halo of a 2K light, they told me that it was alright. But the skin tones are pink and the whites, they are blue. Oh, what could I do? I wish they tried a white balance. Fool, said I, you do not know. You've buggered up the audio. It isn't even on the hi-fi, and you call yourself an audio guy. Weren't you listening to the sounds in your cans, you stupid man? We're left with sounds of silence. These actors could not understand the precious script that's in their hands. People talking without acting, people acting without speaking. The production all around me started crashing, and they were lashing, and and they had tried my patience. In restless dreams I walked alone. All the shit I can't condone. All excuses, they all sound the same. I had to look for someone else to blame. Then the voice of the Robert said, "Dickhead, don't you blub. It's just the dub. The shots are fine, there's no silence. So in haste I got it cut, just to cover up my butt. Despite my worries, it came out fine. It's amazing what you do online. Now I'm standing, hearing voices call my name. It must be fame. And now my fears have silence. Thanks guys, thanks South Seas, thanks Gibbon, thanks Nerida, thanks Rob, and thanks David. So I hope you like that. Massive inspiration all of you were, so I hope you like that, and it's a nod to you guys. So hope you have fun, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that. It'd be nice to hear from some of you, but take care. Edit, where do I edit? Okay, edit here.